In this particular video, we'll see what are comments in JavaScript and how a comment is very useful while writing big codes. Now, firstly, while the compiler of JavaScript, when it compiles the code, it basically ignores the comments and you can write whatever you want into the comments. They are not read by the compiler. And secondly, it doesn't appear anywhere onto your web page no matter what you write. Then if this is the case, then how are comments actually useful? Comments are actually made only for the developer to understand the code better. Let's take this example that I've written over here, that if c is greater than b, then console.log a. Now might be that there is some reason because of which I've written this code, but let's say my partner who's working on this project with me doesn't actually know that why have I written this code. Or it may even happen that after I finish this project, after 2 3 months or 4 5 months, I come back to this project and I have forgotten that why did I write this. So for that, comments are very useful. So the syntax for writing comments is two backslashes and then whatever you want to write. So I'll just say just to check whether c is greater or not. Again, you can write whatever you want into the comments. So this is the single line comment, and let's say if you want to, you can even, if you want to comment more than one line of code, or let's say a paragraph of comment, then you can just add lines like this. But you can also add a multi-line comment. For that you need to write a backslash, an asterisk, and end it with an asterisk and a backslash. So in between, whatever you will write is going to be considered as comments. So this is the multi-line comment and this is the single line comment. Hope the concept has been very easy to understand and I hope you like it.